So I'm Perry Chen. I'm a film critic for Animation World Network, Amazing Kids, my own website. And I review movies from a scale of 0 to 5 starfish. And I think that this film deserves 4.
Whoa, that's high praise. That's great, but I want to know what it's going to take to get 5.
Well, it's just flaws in the story. For
Sure.
example, the time machine only sucking up what's called for in the plot.
That's so smart. I get it. I appreciate it. I respect it. I'm gonna the next thing I do, I'm gonna work really hard to get your 5. But I like that you're not ready to give it to me yet.
Also, my mom's a big fan of yours.
Oh, hi.
So, first of all, I'd like to ask you a few questions. How do you think that your personal voice shows through in your character?
Well, I think that, like Jenny in the film, I believe in the idea that no one can do anything alone, that the help is needed, that the flock is important. So I kind of like that she cares about other people as well as herself. I'd like to think that that I'm like that too, but and you know, I also she has really big eyes like me.
Well, then again, all cartoon characters do.
Touché, Perry.
So, how does doing voiceovers in animation compare with acting in live-action movies?
Well, with live action, you know, you're working with actors in a room, and animated recordings I do just lying in my bed. I just do them into my phone. I never even wake up. I never open my eyes.
Well, that's an interesting detail.
Does that give me one? Does that give me a star? Or does that take a star away?
I'm not sure.
We'll see, Perry.
What do you think the essence of comedy is?
Oh, that's a great question. Let's see. Maybe I would say. Well, what do you think it is? I want to hear what you think it is. Actually,
I think it's probably the unexpected. I guess something that's unexpected, but also can, spark emotion.
Yeah, well said. I think that's better than anything I could have said. Yeah, unexpected sparks emotion.
What's your favorite part of acting?
I like the part where you kind of get surprised. If you're doing something and you think you're supposed to go one way and then you're working with someone and they do something and suddenly it goes another way. I like getting surprised. That can be really fun. Especially if you do it a lot of the same way every time, and then one way it's different, and suddenly it seems like the best way. That's really cool.
Is there anything in the film, like deleted scenes or something that you wish could be there or be improved?
There's a part where my character goes into the Matrix. And they cut all that out. And I was like, what? And there's like amazing special effects and neat.
That's really interesting.
I know. And they took all of it out. I can get you a copy of it if you want, Perry.
Yeah, that would be great.
Well, it seems like you don't want it.
Get some deleted scenes.
Yeah, I can hook you up with so many deleted scenes. I could send so many deleted scenes your way of any film. Of anything you want, animated or not animated. I know a guy who sells deleted scenes on the street, and I'll hook you up with some deleted. But listen to me. Don't do deleted scenes and then get addicted to deleted scenes, okay? Do deleted scenes every once in a while, all right? But you gotta be careful with deleted scenes, right? Suddenly it's a gateway to, DVD extras.
Well, thank you for your time.
Can I see your composition book? Because I want to see if the pages are blank.